This is your introduction to the discussion round of IELTS speaking. You might see on the internet thousands and thousands of videos where they show an interlocutor or an examiner and student interacting. If you try to learn from these thousands of videos, you will learn the way the student answers, which may obviously have a lot of imperfection. So when you learn from a basic text or basic presentation with errors, with deficiencies, with anomalies, you tend to imitate that, and obviously it will cost you in terms of IELTS grades. In order to prevent this, I am trying to make a presentation where I take on the role of the interlocutor or the examiner and the student, so that you get a perfect answer for each question, so that you can aim at a band 9, which is a perfect score in IELTS. So let's get started. In discussion round, there will be 4 to 5 questions for which you have to give answers in 2 to 3 sentences. At the most 4 sentences. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll announce which role I am playing before speaking out. Okay, interlocutor. So Mr. Subin, do you generally shop for branded products or unbranded items? Do you think branded products are worth the price that you're paying? Do you think there is a qualitative superiority for branded products? Or is it simply the price that you pay for brand value and nothing else? Now the role of the student. Okay. Sir, I believe there is certainly value addition to good brands. For example, a Mercedes car, an Apple phone, and things like that. But I do agree with you that for many brands, especially fashion brands, the extra price you pay is simply for the brand value. It is not for a product value. Product may be as good as others, but the brand value may be high. This is also called the esteem value. When you wear a dress with a fashion symbol, or a brand with global standing, it adds to your profile. So for that brand value, you pay a high price. Interlocutor, faculty. Given a choice, would you prefer to buy branded items or unbranded items? Would you go for something which is costlier or something which is cheaper because it's unbranded? Student. So that depends on the occasion and the product. To go for a branded product, you definitely have to have a fat pocket. You need to have a lot of money in your pocket. That's a fundamental requirement. Moreover, there are brands with proven product value rather than brand value. So I would go for brands with true product value. For example, if you take, let's say, phones. iPhone has a distinctive product value superior to other phones. So I would rather pay the high price for a product with higher product value, if I can afford it. That's a big if. Now, the interlocutor or the faculty. Are there distinctive types of products for which you would prefer branded items, and other types of products for which you would prefer unbranded items? Now the student.